Big bait, big sambo.
Look at that. Look at the size of that. Beautiful. It's the right species, wrong size. Oh, and he goes. Bye. Oh.
Use jinx it.
Don't look. Oh, for oh. Alright. It's probably bigger than the other one, eh? Look at that. Sambo City. Was doing nothing and then had a couple of tail kicks, so maybe break sea cod. Is it really? Is it really? Oh, shark. That's what it was. That's why it was going all over the place. Oh, look. That's in Albany. That's in Albany, yeah. Sharks coming to Albany. Good morning. Hello.
Morning.
Well, it's blown a bit of a gale, but we're going to get out there and do it. It's supposed to calm down. Maybe. And it's about 2 metres, I think. 2 metres? Yeah. Is that what it was supposed to forecast, 2 metres? Yeah. Anyway, so far so good. See how we go. And see what we can get. Well, we just got to the spot. It took us a while. A bit rough today. Jayden's in. And now, Josh, this is your reel, mate. Your rod. What is it? You've been waiting for this for 3 months.
Gone to over there.
So what is it called?
Maxwell.
Maxwell. Oh, I'm on. Oh, hey. Shit, I'm on. Big fish, big fish. Oh, this is huge.
Sambo. Holy Damon. Might as well get this dog out then.
Come on, you dog, come on.
Let's snap it. No
Can you see it, can you?
Yeah, have a look at the
Have a look.
yeah. Da-da-da-da.
Must be a big sambo. 30 metres, 25, 20.
Chad, what did you get?
There it comes, got colour.
Big sambo. Big bait, big sambo.
Look at that. Look at the size of that. Beautiful. Alright, we're just gonna deal with this and see what's next. Oh, good bait. Good bait, mate. Good bait. Oh. Are you serious?
What was it?
You on, buddy?
Yep.
What do you got, you reckon?
Let's jacket.
Sergeant Baker?
Slow fish. Yeah. Upgraded.
Any. Oh, you're gonna lose it, you're gonna lose it. Nanny!
What hook did I say? Oh, I could feel it from the top.
Bottom hook.
Yeah.
Oh, you went with the Oscar rig.
Yeah.
Oh, you're changing, eh? Changing. Ah.
Going back to the old days.
The old days, eh? Olden day man. Alright, very nice. See what's next. Buddy! Hey! It's not huge, but you know, it's not bad. Not bad. What's your call? You know that was my fish, don't you?
Yep.
It bit my line first, and then come over to your shitty line.
Whoa!
What do you got? What do you got? Taking a while there. You're on too? Get out of here. Oh, Joshy. Oh, I don't know. You lost him, I think, bud. Oh, no. Oh, no.
I bet you wish we never caught it.
Oh, no. Oh.
I got your line, Josh.
Oh, no.
Oh, wow.
Look at that. Well, you did say you'd never catch a leather jacket. Look at that. Bang. You got one. You snooze, you lose, you know?
Yeah, Jayden, snooze, you lose.
Hey, keep it for Bill, though. Jayden.
Probably leathery.
Ah, come on now. Have some faith.
Leathery.
Is it heavy or not? No. How come this is the second time in a row I've had a bite that you catch the fish? What's going on? Just, it's not on. It's the right species, wrong size, eh? Oh, and he goes. Bye. Oh.
Stop making it go slow so it sounds like it's big.
I just don't want to lose it. This is a Dewey, boys. 10 minutes. 10 minutes. I'll be trying to get this done. Thanks, Josh, for getting that bait for us.
Sambo!
Nice Sambo. Dewey all the way, buddy.
Stop finger spooling your rod so it sounds like it's big.
Yeah, right. See, look at my hands. See? My hands. Telecom ball. Iowa. Nice Dewey catcher, this one. lost it. Big leather jacket. Here it is. Get a leather jacket. Get him. Get dog. There's a net.
Oh.
You on something big?
Big. No, I'm unsure now. Where it's going, yeah.
Oh, that's a, you know what that is? That's another little.
Stop playing with it.
That's another little snapper.
I don't know.
Or it was. You just lost it. You lost it. Nanny guy.
Yeah.
That's Nanny. Well, bit of action.
Oh, I'd really hope it's not a leather jacket.
Is it pawned?
Yeah.
Yeah, it feels. Hey?
I hope it's a nice big pinky or big dewy.
Yeah, I reckon. I don't know. Whatever you do, I don't care. Just don't lose it. All right?
Use Jenkster.
Don't let. Oh, for fuck. Oh,
Oh, that was what it was.
best
Leatheries.
fish of the day.
Leatheries, because I got double hooked. I got double hooked.
What? Oh.
Get the leatheries.
So that's not even my reason. Oh, yeah.
So I got to tackle west and another one. I like them hooks.
Oh, guys, we've got fish everywhere, and you guys are worried about jigs. Just grab whatever you can, chuck it on, get them down there. Oh. Far out. This is a big dog.
Hold on.
Another one. It's probably bigger than the other one, eh? Hey, look at that. Sambo City. Oh. Alrighty. We'll do this and. Yep. Here.
Yeah, that's a cuttlefish, right?
You reckon? I don't know, but Josh is a bit on the. You're on the gas, man. That's the Minn Kota working hard. Minn Kota is keeping us on the spot. Thank you very much, sir, madam, poster, whatever you are. What do you reckon, Josh? Weight or not?
Cuttlefish.
Cuttlefish? It's a big call from 70 metres. We haven't got a cuttlefish yet. Unusual this time of year. We'll see what it is. We will see. No. It's like having, I don't know, it's just weird. It was doing nothing and then it had a couple of tail kicks. So maybe break sea cod, you reckon?
Find out in about 5 minutes, 10 minutes.
There it is. Had a big kick. Is it really? Oh, a shark. That's what it was. That's what was going all over the place. Oh, look. Oh. That's an Albany, yeah. Sharks coming to Albany. Well, boys are cleaning up. Doing the thing. We did manage to get a Nana guy, Sambo, and some other bits and pieces. Anyway, guys, we're going to get the trip home. As you can see, we're in the middle of nowhere, so it's going to be about 2.5 hours home. We will be coming out soon with another vid, so watch out for that. Keep sharing it around, keep giving us a thumbs up, subscribe, and watch out for our photos on Instagram and Facebook. Until then, guys, stay safe, happy fishing.